Hello guys, Ohio Visayas. We're going to the Labian Falls and Balapola Sea. We're ligo over there because it's very too now, and the place is very nice, so refresh. The air is so fresh and the water is so cool and cold. O diba, nalingaw ang baji sa water. Let me sweat, let me huddle, let me move my breath, give me water. Thank you so much for watching guys. Arigato gozaimasu. O diba, nag-refresh ang babaeng bangus. Ligo-ligo din pag may time. With my friendship, what are you doing though? Thank you for watching guys. Sayonara, babush, God bless you all. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Tayo ay maligo in the bukid, in the falls, because it's so too now and refresh our body. Bye bye.